One of the most crucial things I use in my arsenal of being a content creator is that I use this little mini display here. And if you guys can see it, I haven't taken out the plastic. I don't want to remove start scratching it because I put this in my backpack constantly. Now, this little display comes with its own magnetic phone holder, right? And I do have a fast replacement. Like I get to remove it. I have an actual system where it actually locks in real quick, and I'm able to remove it and add it. But look at this. Just to begin, it has a magnet. You don't have to worry about dropping it, and your phone could be facing your subject that you're going to be filming. But this thing is something to work with. I mean, I'm going to show you some of the features, right? But first of all, you do need to sync it up to your phone and share the actual screen. There is a password that you need. You could do wire if you want to share through wire too. So it does have a Type-C. So a couple of features you need to be aware. One side is going to be power and rotation. All right. This is very important if you want to rotate it, because if you're doing TikToks or maybe short forms, you're going to want to rotate this. Now the other end, there's a brightness and there's different modes. All right. The modes is mostly to stretch out the picture in picture, fitting in all the way through, or if you want to strap it to where it's supposed to fit the right dimension. So let me show you how it works. Turn it on. We're going to turn it on here. Hold on the button for a couple seconds. You're going to see a light come on. 1, 2, 3. And there should be a light right there, right? All right, first time turning it on the screen, you're going to be greeted with the username and password for the wireless sharing. It tells you instructions how to do it from the Samsung phone, how to download and share in Smart View. And also it gives you instructions how to share through the iPhone, all right? And other secondary instructions for older Androids. And very simple to follow the steps. Right now, there's no direct mode, no connections at all. But we can always do USB Type-C to Type-C. At the moment, we're just going to do wireless so we can see the lag of it, or if there's any. So we're going to go and test this out in a bit right now as soon as we fully charge it. Because I have a Droid, I'm going to show you how to share this, all right? I have a Smart View mirror, right? But on your phone, it's different. And you'll go to Smart View mirror, but this thing comes up right away. If you guys can see it, click on it. Takes a couple seconds for it to go. And there it is. Now, depending on the rotation of your phone, for example, this is one rotation only, all right? So you see the phone, if you want to record, let me stand this up a little bit more. So if you want to record stuff this way with your camera, and I'm going to put picture in picture so you guys can see it. It's actually full screen, all right? So if I pick it up this way, the picture does not rotate. There it is, rotating. There it is, rotating. And if you want to rotate it more, look at that. You could invert the whole thing too, rotating backwards, so you could have either or. All right. Now in modes, I'm going to show you modes here. It's all right. We're going to go modes. All right. You guys can see modes. You click on modes and it full screen zooms in, all right, on this one. So if you guys can see right now, I have a mode and it kind of zoomed in a little bit more, right, than it's supposed to, but you can always go back. All right, this device is perfect whenever you're doing outdoor events, outdoor content, and you want to see yourself in high quality pixelation, which a lot of cameras don't have it, unfortunately, for the front camera. All right, now this is perfect if you want to get the best performance and the best colors that you can get out of the camera, is to use your back cameras. Now one bad thing about it is that you cannot actually see yourself, but this device here, it makes a great device for those kind of content creators that are creating outdoor events, indoors. This is perfect. And the way that I like it personally, that I don't have to set up any wires because it's working wirelessly with the actual device. As long as you have an iPhone or a Droid, you can do either or, and it's easy to actually make content out of your actual system. Now, one of the best things I like about this thing is that it has different modes too. And we're going to talk a little bit more in thorough about that, but I just wanted to show you what I normally use it for. So when I'm creating outdoor events, filming myself in different environments, I can see exactly where I need to fit the pool. For example, I want to set this device here where the pool's going to fit perfectly, or if my camera keeps tilting, I could tilt it back, Now I'm able to see these things that I wasn't able to do before, and this is a great thing that I like about this features that the display has, where you could actually fit yourself perfectly to fit in the screenshot. You could fit the whole pool here, and at the same time you can see exactly what you're looking at. So if you guys are looking for a great device like this, or if I want to talk about this camera too, I know exactly where it's going to fit in the shot. So the thing I like about it, magnetic, so you don't have to use this thing itself to divide. To be honest with you, you can put it on anything. Now, one of the cons that I didn't like about it was that you can't rotate this. All right, so if you're gonna take this, you can't rotate it. If you guys can see that, so it was only going one angle on this one, but it doesn't matter. You're gonna get better than nothing, to be honest with you. So I personally like this. I do have a tripod that actual angles, so I don't have to worry about it if I'm doing a TikTok with it. This is a perfect device for those that are going to film outdoor, indoors, and you want to capture yourself and the actual item. This is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.